Measure your posture using a combination of natural fibers and conductive polymers. A conductive polymer known as PDOT is introduced to non-conductive fibers such as silk and Japanese washi. Through this induction, stretchable and conductive electrodes are made possible. Refining the fiber removes most of the sericin. Polymerization is a reaction that bonds molecules together to form new compounds. These stretchable conductive fiber electrodes eliminate the need for semiconductor sensors. Shifts in weight and center of gravity are fluidly measured in real time. A bar graph displays weight and load information in the legs and rear, letting one intuitively understand information about their own posture. By applying the conductive electrodes to beds, research can be conducted on sleep patterns, including any tossing and turning. Furthermore, incorporating this technology into shoes allows for research on how movement in the feet and heels while walking affects posture. Torimitsu's challenge continues. For more innovative technology like this, hop on over to our channel, and be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.